YouTube. Today I'm going to show you this Frozen Micro figure set. Let me just move all the characters out of the way. Let's lay them down so they could not be in the way. Here's Olaf. He's the cutest one. He's so cute. He's my favorite one. He's really funny because he rolls off and he turns into a big snowball. So, that's him.
Let's see the next one.
Here's Queen Elsa. She's wearing a removable cape and her crown does not come off. And her skirt comes off, but you could only move her arms, and the goodest thing about this doll is you can move her head.
Mm-hmm.
And you can lay her down, so I'm just going to put it all over.
Okay.
Yeah. And here's Anna, and she has her little hat and her cape, which is made of her plastic, and she has like a little undershirt, and she has like this pretty decorated skirt, and she has these black boots, and you can mix and match them, so that's why I really like that.
Mm-hmm.
And Hans can move his whole body, so but it's the greatest thing about this Hans, he could turn his head while he's moving. How cool. I'm just gonna put him with Anna. And here's Kristoff, and I don't know what he's wearing, and I don't know what his hat is made out of.
Don't his legs move up and down?
No.
They go back and forth a little.
They go back and forth a little.
Mm-hmm.
And don't know what he's wearing, and these are some gloves, and I don't know what I don't know what he's wearing. And his friend, he's just like the friend, and he's so cute with little short hair. He's so cute.
Do you want to press the castle and show the magic?
So now I'm gonna press this button, and it lights up.
Gorgeous. Are you ready to open it?
And so I'm gonna open it now.
Press it again so you could see.
Let's put it right there. And the coolest feature about this is you could turn this lock and voila, closed. Today we're gonna show off this little baby Olaf first. He's really cute, and he has like a long curly nose, and he's doing a cute pose. And this is not how he looks in the movie with buttons on the side and on. When you press this thing, his head moves and he bobbles. That's what I really like about him.
And he comes with the Elsa and Anna baby dolls.
So first I'm going to show you Elsa. She cannot stand on.
Yes, she can.
She cannot stand up very well.
She can.
She just keeps falling over. Elsa could stand on her own when you hold her on her feet, and of course Anna could.
They're so cute.
They could actually stand on their own.
And their dresses are so pretty.
They both have crowns that are blue and pink. And here's the dresses. This one has glue on it, and this one has a gluey bow and a gluey sash.
Mm-hmm. They're so pretty.
And Elsa has blue eyes, and Anna has blue eyes. Today I got this new toy that was Elsa and Anna closet, and it came with all these beautiful accessories.
Wow. The best part, close it up and show how you can make it a carry-along bag. It doesn't fit in there.
your doll with you. That's so cool.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Now pick it
there's
up.
your doll with you.
Tell everybody what you're doing.
And here is a color sand.
Wow. It goes from plain to that beautiful snow print.
And there's also beautiful decorations. And you wipe away with your finger. How cool.
That's so nice. Hold up Elsa. Let's see how pretty she is. Wow. She's got a beautiful golden crown on.
So, here's the ice skating. Elsa, she is beautiful. She can do a lot of different tricks. But mostly she can't do it by herself. You gotta help her. Got ice skaters so she could do the tricks. So here's Princess Anna. She's a princess. She has a cape on, and I don't know why, but
She looks so pretty. And what else did you get frozen?
she died.
Look. Show off your frozen first.
Anna died. So here's my frozen purse. I put everything in there.
What's in there?
Is a case, and you can put lots of different things. And the sunnail polish that was in here already. A purple.
Purple has Olaf.
And here's a pink.
And pink has, Olaf too.
And here is blue.
Blue with Elsa.
And orange.
With Anna.
So here is one of the knuckly ones.
Mm-hmm.
And here is one of the baby ones. Can I wear some lipstick, Mommy?
Not now.
Can I wear this one?
Does it smell like anything or taste like anything?
It smells like snowflakes.
Very good. I gotta wind it down.
Here's what it looks on me. What's these?
Very good. This one has Olaf.
And here's a Anna one that I'm gonna put on next. This is our top coat I'm gonna put on. So here's what it looks on me.
So you have 2 Elsas, 2 Annas, and an Olaf. And you have Elsa, Anna, and Olaf lipsticks. And then you have 2 Olafs and an Elsa and an Anna nail polish.
For my birthday, I got these 2 Elsa and Anna dresses. This is a grand prize one. We're a grand prize.
No, that says birthday girl.
It says birthday girl.
Hold them up.